What plumbing jobs close best with financing? The plumbing jobs that close best with financing are big-ticket repairs, like water heater replacements, sewer line repairs, whole home repiping, and tankless water heater upgrades, because these jobs often cost thousands of dollars, and homeowners would rather pay a small amount each month instead of all at once. Think of it like buying a bike. If a bike costs $200, you might just save up and buy it. But if a bike costs $2,000, you would probably want to pay a little bit every month instead. Plumbing is the same way. Small jobs like fixing a leaky faucet do not really need financing because they are cheap and quick. But something like replacing a sewer line can cost $5,000 to $15,000, and most people do not have that much cash sitting around. Here is something a lot of people do not know. Plumbing companies that offer financing options right on the spot close way more big jobs, because customers are more likely to say yes when they see a monthly payment instead of one huge number. Offering financing turns a scary bill into something that feels manageable. One common mistake is waiting until the emergency happens to mention financing. Instead, you should bring it up early so the customer feels prepared, not pressured. Another mistake is only offering one financing plan, when really offering a couple of different payment lengths gives people options that fit their budget. A big misconception is that only people with bad credit use financing, but plenty of homeowners with great credit still prefer to spread out large payments to keep their savings untouched. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.